Hey guys, it's me, and today I'm playing Dead Island, and you're gonna be seeing my facial expressions, because I'm too lazy to buy a game card, so fuck it. So here we go. Let me turn up the music here. Fuck.
Can you hear me? Do you understand what I'm saying? Nod your head. Nod your bloody head. I ain't asking you again. Oh, thank God. I'm a doctor, not a bloody executioner. Do you know how close we came to bashing your head in?
Pretty close, I guess?
Fuck, I should have never listened to Cinemoy. Oh man, I should have left with the others.
Why don't you do something? Why won't anyone help him? You can't just let him die out there.
Fuck you.
Oh my God, what if he's dead?
Let me look at your ass, please. Please, that booty.
Please.
Come on, booty.
He's the only one protecting us.
I can't open that just yet.
Please.
Let me have that.
You going out there? Are you nuts?
You're not going to help me. Get the hell out of the way.
You at least have a weapon? You need to find a weapon.
Please. He's the only one protecting us.
Lucky for me, this one right here.
Alright. This is fucking crazy. On three. 1, 2, fuck it, 3!
I got you! Ow! Fuck! He got me! Come on, bitch. Come on. Got your number. What, bitch? What?
It's the only way to kill him! He's next! Coming again! Over there!
Stay down. 4. You're the asshole who hit me. No, there's a fucking weapon right there. Fuck.
That's the last one? Okay then. Thanks, mates.
Okay. Yeah, I got sass. Okay. Not good at it.
Are you there? Hello? Can you hear me? Shit. Hello? We were just attacked. Listen, your friend from the hotel's awake. You were right about him being immune to this thing. If it wasn't for him, we wouldn't have made it. Maybe now we can hold out until help arrives. There is no help. This thing can't be stopped. I saw how it took my life. You need to get out of there, and I can help you. I can arrange for transportation. By air, by sea, but first you need to get here. To me. I have many sick and injured here, mate. They're crazy with fear. Tell me where you are. Where are you?
Where are you?
You there, mate? Hello? Hello? God damn it. We didn't think you were gonna make it. Not bad.
Love you. Hold on, can I leave real quick? Fuck! I smack you. Oh, bitches.
What is more?
No
thanks to you.
Slap that booty. Okay. Slapped it with a paddle. Stop.
Name's John Cinemoy, the head life guy here. The voice on the radio told me you were in trouble at the hotel. Said you were resistant to whatever this is. I didn't believe it. Then I found you and I saw the bite marks. You got no symptoms, but those aren't love bites, are they? I don't know who you are or how you know that guy on the radio, but he's our only connection with the outside world. We keep losing the bloody signal. We have a monsoon coming. So here's the thing. We need to move everybody to the main lifeguard station. There's an ambulance there and more equipment and a stronger radio with an antenna. I hate to ask, but we can't do this without you. Will you help me? I'm here.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, I'll give you a hand. Good. First off, we need an access card to get past the security gate. Mine's in my room. With all the commotion, I forgot to take it with. It's in bungalow 11, by the pools. Take a weapon and watch yourself. You may be immune. That don't mean you can't die.
Okay. Let's go kick some ass after finding a better weapon.
No thanks to you.
Didn't see you out there.
Hiya! Need a paddle back. Guys,
This is the end of days. Judgment Day.
Oh, you're,
It's in the
big
book of
ass.
Revelation.
Fuck, I should have never listened to Cinemoy.
Wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up.
Come on, bro. Wakey, wakey. Eggs and bacon. Fuck you. Oh, I can't punch the mirror like in the movies. You know, like old school LA New York movies.
No
Thank God we found you.
Yeah, thank God. Shut your door. Oh, are you good? No, you're just another paddle. Fuck you. It's a battered broomstick. Is that a fucking bird? Oh fuck! Bird, that's a paddle. Let me look for shit. Any zombies anywhere? I think it's a zombie, but... Yeah, open. Fucking empty. I can't open that, fuck you. Okay guys, that'll be it for episode 1 of facial reactions of Dead Island. I will upload the next episode later on today. Peace.